So with this configuration, we have all the inputs parameter that we want to send to the computational engine. So we need maybe to check in the output what options do we have here. So all the options that you can see here on the right, if you click over the parameter in the main menu, you will open a screen, a window where you can see the same options, but you don't need to type anything there, so you can maybe have a nicer view interface of the options. But you will get used to this properties window, so it doesn't matter where to go to change everything. But there we can change different results. Here we can ask Diana where and what we want to get from the calculations. First, which steps do we need? Maybe we are not interested in all the steps. For example, if we were applying the permanent load, maybe we don't need to see the discretization up to the total applied load, so we can just get the final step. Then we can see. We can ask Diana to get results only in specific parts of the model, nodes, or even elements, as well as reinforcement. So we can just select where to get results. So all the reinforcement or all the elements. So that's up to us where to get all these results. So by default, you can leave all and just select the different parts where which you are interested in or with. Then in the last option, that is results, you can select which specific results do you want and where in the selected elements. So in that case, we can have all these results. So you see the many options, but you have to know which kind of problem you're working with, and then you need to select the proper ones. For example, in our problem, we don't have velocities, so it doesn't make any sense to ask for a velocity, but we have displacement instead, so we can ask for the displacement. We need translations, that's fine. At global, I suggest you to get always all the results with respect to global coordinates. Then you can also get rotations on the element, that's also maybe interesting for you. Then we can get strains, total strains, global, and then principal also, you can get both. In any case, you can select many options that you maybe are interested in some other results. So just have a look on the different results and choose for the ones that you need. And then here you have, when you select each of these options, you have more properties inside. Yes, you have where in the element or in the nodes do you want. So where in the element you want the results. So you can get the results in the integration points, the nodes, and in the element center as well. So that's also up to you. You know that with finite element methods, the real values or the calculated values corresponded always in the integration point. So any value that you get outside the integration points is an interpolation between the real calculated value and the next value from the other element. But yeah, that's completely up to you. If you see the value in the integration point, you probably see a more realistic calculated value. So you don't get anything strange, I would say. But yeah, doesn't matter. You can get even in both places. And then some options here. Yeah, for us, we are going to check all primaries because everything that we are interested in right now is included here. But take into consideration all these personalizations because you maybe need them later on. And this is something that you need to define in the input parameters of the calculation before you get the results.